In this video, I will show you how to use Japanese display name on Roblox mobile. So in this video, what we can do is we first need to head over to our Roblox application on your phone. And then from in there, you can click on your name right here on your homepage and you can see in here your profile. So click on this edit profile that you can see on the bottom. And as you can see, you can edit your display name. So the changing your username actually needs some Robux. So for this case, let's just change the display name. Now from in there, let's head back to our homepage and then head over to any browser that you have. And then from in there, let's input right here the Google Translate. Let's search in here for that. Google Translate. Now it should be able to show you in here this. So under this English, click on the English and search in here for Japanese. Now enter right here the language that you want to change. Like for example, let's input right here potato cake. Now I have in here this. So what we can do is we can highlight this and click on copy. And then head back right here to your Roblox. Click on your display name and click on the this pencil icon right here. Click on this X and it should be at least 3 characters, but this is actually sufficient. So click on the save right here. Then after that, you should now have in here this Japanese name. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.